Bath and path. Bath. Bath is a noun that refers to a large container filled with water in which a person can bathe. It can also refer to the act of washing oneself in such a container. Examples: after a long day at work, Jane likes to relax in a hot bath. The baby splashed around happily in the bath. Path. Path is a noun that typically refers to a way or track laid down for walking or made by continual treading. It can also be used metaphorically to indicate a course of action or a way of life. Examples: the hikers followed a narrow path through the forest. She decided to pursue a career path in marketing. Differences. The primary difference between bath and path is their meanings and usage. Bath is associated with water and cleanliness, while path is related to directions or a way to travel. Bath is a physical object or action, whereas path can be both physical and metaphorical. Bath is generally used in contexts related to personal hygiene or relaxation, whereas path is more commonly used when talking about directions, journey, or choices in life. Both words are pronounced differently, with bath having a short a sound like in cat, and path having a short a sound like in hat. In conclusion, while bath and path may sound similar, they have distinct meanings and are used in different contexts. Understanding these differences can help in using the words correctly in various situations.